And today's barn find is this 2003 Toyota Tacoma extended cab TRD off-road SR5. One original owner since new with 39,000 actual miles. Yes, you heard that correct. One local owner since new, TRD off-road with blockers, 39,000 actual miles. 100% all original. Every body panel, every VIN tag, all original paint on this truck since new. This truck came to us, purchased it from the original owner in 100% stock condition. It's never been off-road, it's never been in any accidents or had any kind of damages whatsoever. We just did a stage 1 Overland build on it, 2.75-inch Bilstein Toytec level lift with brand new Bilstein 5100 series shocks all the way around. A new set of 17-inch TRD off-road, no, TRD Pro wheels. And yes, these are the OEM from Toyota, not cheap reps or from eBay. Brand new set of 33-inch BF Goodrich KO2s, differential drops, fresh alignment, and more. As you can see, there's not a dent or a scratch in this truck whatsoever. A true time capsule that is in just brand new condition. Truck has a LEER paint match canopy that is fully carpeted with the slide out windows and rear slider option, as well a full bed rug setup. The window in the canopy slides open and it also folds down so you can clean behind your windows. Fully carpeted with a light and a full bed rug setup for the bed. This truck is like brand spanking new. Take a look at the jams. The bed is in new condition as well. It's never been any accidents, never had any kind of damages. It's never been driven in mud or snow at all. Factory tow hitch, convenience package, SR5 package, TRD off-road with the lockers, factory fender flares. What else? Factory tinted windows, rear slider in the truck. Interior is in new condition as well. No broken plastics, no stains, no rips, no tears. Just a true museum quality Tacoma. WeatherTech mats or Husky, these are the Husky liners in the front and the rear since new. All your tools, etc. The jack is on the other side. I'll put that after. Excellent condition headliner as well. There's no sagging or rips in it at all. Let me push the seat back. The dash looks like it is brand spanking new. There's no paint issues or cracking or any issues. This truck is 100% all original. No different stereos or speakers or any of that stuff. Also, this truck just had 3,000 miles ago a full complete service at the Toyota dealer with all the records. A new timing belt, new water pump, tensioners, guides, hoses, front and rear differential service, transmission service, power steering fluid service and flushed, brake fluid service and flush, completely gone through. So this truck is in need of nothing. Now, that service was well over $6,500, by the way. And there's so much more that was done. Full tune-up, valve cover gaskets, etc. A new air filter, and just had an oil change, oil filter. To find a Tacoma with this kind of undercarriage and this kind of engine bay, there's no rust, there's no corrosion, everything is like literally brand new, just like the day it rolled off the assembly line. These trucks are becoming more and more collector stuff. I have clients that have purchased 2, 3, and 4 of them from me the second I get a super low mileage one. They are going up and up in value, and they're gonna continue because they're never gonna make anything like this again. So if you've been looking for this generation Tacoma, which to me, this is my favorite, because whether you had one when it was new and you regret selling it, or you didn't have the money or the funds or couldn't afford it when it was new, this is your chance to get as close to a brand new Tacoma as possible in this body style. 39,000 actual miles. Oh, let me start. 39,814. Your power button, rear lockers. Take a look at this carpet. It's literally like new. There's the driver's seat as well. I don't think I showed the driver's seat. There's no broken cushion or any of that stuff. So, as good as it gets. Now, here, let's do this. There's the power windows. WeatherTech rain guards as well. It's got all the goodies. Let's go to the passenger side. Well, we don't have rear windows. Let's check out the mirrors. Left and right, up and down. Let's check out the passenger side. Left and right, up and down. Let's check out, go back a little. Door lock actuators. Everything works as designed. Let me zoom back up. And here's the wipers. Here's your slow mode. There's the second speed. And here's the third speed. Got the lights on. Let me show you the lights. Lights are on. Listen to this thing. So 3,000 miles on full complete service. This truck is ready to go another 200,000 miles, headache free, etc. Take a look at this undercarriage here. When I say there's no corrosion on this frame, there's none. Take a look at the stampings. Like, I just had it completely detailed. They spray the nice black shiny stuff, like the tire dressing on the tires. There's zero corrosion. Never been off-road. Never been driven in mud or snow. And I mean, take a look at these rockers. When I say there's no rock chips on the truck, not even on the rockers. Because this gentleman, I mean, just garaged this thing. Barely drove it anywhere. It was completely stock. We just upfitted it with the nice setup. So whether you want to go overlanding or whatever it is. The paint on these trucks, if you left these trucks outside or they were in the weather or the sun, clear coat fades and peels, as we all know. Not the story here. So, this truck also comes with all the original books, manuals, even the original window sticker, the literature, 2 sets of keys, the complete package. The only flaw I see on the truck or damage is the scratch on this bug shield right here in the corner. Other than that, 100%, there's nothing you can pick apart about it. This truck is for the pickiest of the picky. If you're looking for just an average truck, this is not for you. This is for the person that can go buy a brand new Tacoma, but he doesn't want to buy the new junk. You don't want the electronics and the computers. He wants this solid old era of Tacomas. That's who it is for. It's not for, if you're looking for just a regular beater, etc., leave this for someone else. There's a lot of mediocre ones out there, a lot of rusty ones. This is way too nice. Or if you're looking to give it to your son, you have the means or afford it or whatever it is. This is that truck. I can qualify this truck for new car financing, which means I can finance it for 60 months, 72 months, even 84 months. Obviously on approved credit. But not only that, let me put this down. Not only that, I can qualify it for the same interest rate as if you were buying a model 2022. So I can go 84 months, up 7.5%. That is unheard of. No, your bank, your credit union, whoever you bank with, Navy Federal, USAA, they cannot do that. They will not do that. This truck is 23 years old. And banks use Kelley Blue Book to finance, or NADA. Kelley Blue Book on this truck is $15,000, maybe 20, I don't know. Well, $20,000 and $15,000 gets you one with 250,000 miles that's been beat to crap and rusted out. Not the case here. So, financing, I can handle that for you. We can do it all remotely. We handle your registration in whatever state that you're in. Shipping, let's talk about shipping. I can help you and ship this truck right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. Whether you live in Alaska, Hawaii, New York, Alaska, Canada, North Carolina, South Dakota, Arizona, anywhere in the country, I can ship it right from my door, right to your front door. Take a look at this plastic. This is dirt right here. It's literally like brand new. There's no scuffs. There's not a scuff, not a scratch. Well, there's a little scratch right here at the bottom. Let's bring it out so you can see it. Anyways, I can help you ship it right to your front door from my door. I deal with shippers on a daily basis. I know how to vet them. We work with a list of preferred vendors. They are insured, bonded. They're responsible for your truck the second they pick it up from here until they get it to your front door. We only work with tier 1 rated transporters. So that is a breeze. I'll help you through it all. Please check out my website, jordanmotorsports.com. I have 95 detailed photos of the truck, inside and outside, and undercarriage. Take a look at the control arms. Another weak point, that's what I like to show. There's your Bilstein 5100s. Axles, everything has been inspected, greased, taken care of, etc. Never find another one this clean and this nice. Give me a call, 503-213-4434. Happy to help. Let's put this in your driveway or your garage or add it to your collection before your neighbor does.